Today in this video we will learn about how to solve add-on domain redirection to main domain issue. This issue comes when an add-on domain automatically redirects to main domain. In order to solve this issue, log into cPanel and then go to Addon Domain. Now, check the redirection status and then go to Manage Redirection. Disable this redirection. Or else you can also log into cPanel, go to File Manager and then inside public_HTML, go to the Addon Domain folder. Inside Addon Domain folder, there is an htaccess file. You can disable all the rules inside this file. In this way, redirection issue will be solved.